What is up, YouTube? Chlorine King back here for another video. We are today going to show you how to use the Outspot by Muriatic Pool to help remove a stain on a pool. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're getting around to the edge of the pool. We are starting this pool up and it's absolutely gorgeous, nice little pebble tech surface. But let me show you that stains at. But first, check this out. This is a very typical summer day in Florida. You got sunshine and clear skies there. You got hell right there. That'll change in probably 3.5 minutes though, but nonetheless it looks rather ominous. So let me show you where the stains at. It's right here on the shelf. There's some roof work done because this house is being built along with the pool. You can see right there, there's a nice little rust stain from a nail that sat there. So I'm going to show you how to lift that today with the Outspot by Muriatic Pool. Now some people have in the past used PVC pipe to just put it on top of the stain and then pour some acid down there and it slowly eats it away. Rather long process, and recently I've seen some people use syringe needles and put a concentrated amount of acid at the stain and lift it off quicker. But what's cool with this is you just fill this little vial up with acid, put it on your pool pole, put it on the stain, move it around and lifts it off, and it's very easy and not messy and all that fun stuff. So let's show you how to do that. Alright, so once you guys connect to your pool pole, just pull this off. I always like to pour the acid over the water. Now that that's filled up, just go like that, turn it over. Now just put it on your stain. Now you'll start seeing tiny little air bubbles. That means that the acid's down there doing its thing. And normally what I like to do is move it around a little bit so it just doesn't sit concentrated directly in one spot the entire time. As long as you see those bubbles moving and coming up, that means that there's acid down there. Generally, once the bubbles are gone, that means that it's time to refill the acid. But you can see just from only a couple minutes, or a couple seconds, excuse me, that it's already starting to lift the stain. So you just keep at it until it's gone. That's lightening up pretty good right now. I really like this product. It saves a lot of time and lets you direct the acid directly onto the stain. And this, obviously, I don't need to use a pole here, but this is just for demonstration purposes to show you what it looks like while you're using it. But this is really good for deep end stuff where if you use the PVC method, I mean, it would take a while for it to get down to the stain, where this is pretty much instant. I mean, that stain is virtually gone now. I'm going to let it rest for a couple more seconds on it. Continue to move it around. And another reason to move this around is just so you have a less opportunity for discoloring exactly where you're letting it sit if you were to let it sit directly in one place. So what it does is help blend it a little more, especially for those dark surfaces or that Tahoe blue, or you know, something that's very dye heavy in the mixture. Doing this type of method will help eliminate a heavy, dense area of discoloration. So on lighter surfaces it's not as important, but still a good habit to have when you're using this tool. Now you can see it's completely gone. So that's how I use this tool. I really like it. It's a good lifesaver for when stains occur. And you know, hopefully this helped you guys learn a little bit about this product and how to use it. So stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.